Hello everyone, I'm Vincent de la Cruz. I want to share my entertainment speech about myself. Good day. I'm the kid that loves sleeping time and time. Sleeping is one of my habits that I like. My alarm clock always ringing early in the morning. But my body doesn't want to wake up and I imagine that my blanket is speaking. And my blanket speaking and say to me that take more sleep. Don't wake up. I know you want more time to sleep. They told me that dreaming are where magical stories happen, which is cool because I spend my half day dreaming. I'm the one who's always wants to sleep in morning but not on night. If you see me yawning, don't worry, I'm just recharging for my next nap. That's not all, because you always see me serious and quiet, but if you give me the mic, the rain will start because of my voice. Also, I like eating because it makes me more healthy and even in my dreams. I'm always thinking of my about food. I have very good talent. My talent is losing a thing that I have 5 seconds ago. I'm also a person who loves watching basketball and playing online games. I'm just a person who loves to laugh, live, and eat snack before bedtime. That's all. Thank you.